Hey guys, it's your girl Nessa and I'm back with another video for ya. Alrighty guys, so today I told you guys we were doing a nail care video. Okay, just make sure you guys know that the emphasis is on the nail care part. Okay, clearly I'm not an artist, guys. I don't really draw like that, but I don't even paint like that, and clearly I'm not going to be painting on my little fingers like that. So before we do anything, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, so let's get into it. As you can see, I'm using this design right here to help me kind of correlate what I'll be coming up with throughout this video. Right, I'm currently laying out my napkins as I will be using them constantly throughout this video. Right now I'm using this cuticle remover by Blue Cross. You can easily get this at any Sally's Beauty. I'm pretty sure most of the beauty stores sell cuticle remover, so just pick a brand that you're comfortable with. You're going to go ahead and squirt a little bit of that onto a napkin and make sure you maneuver it around your cuticles. Alrighty guys, as you can see, I am now using my cuticle pusher, and I'm using the pointy side in order to really help me push back those cuticles on my nails and remove any excess cuticle I feel the need to remove. Once I'm done pushing all the cuticles back, I'm just going to go ahead and take the clippers and clip out any other excess cuticles I feel need to be removed. I normally have a tough time with this index finger, so I'm just going to stay a little longer here on this one. Once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and use some nail polish remover and just clean off my nails. Once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure my nails are nice and dry. We're going to go ahead and put these away, and I'm going to grab a nail file. With the nail file, I'm just going to go ahead and buff the top of my nails and give it a rough finish, just because my nail polish does not always stay. So again, guys, it's your preference, but I just want my nail polish to stay for a few days. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to quickly go ahead and wipe off my nails again before using this cuticle oil to kind of just hydrate my cuticles. Guys, so we're about to get into the fun part. The first layer I'm going to use is this nail hardener. I found it on Amazon. I saw that it had really good reviews. I'll probably post the link down below, but I heard it's really good. It hasn't been doing much justice for me, but I haven't been taking my vitamins either, so I just can't blame it on a nail polish, you know what I mean? So, whatevs. I'm just going to go ahead and use the color that I want. This is OPI's Crawfishin for Compliments. Of course, I bought it at Target. It's the only place open right now. Once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and let this dry and add our top coat to it. The top coat I'm using today is Seche Vite or Vite, however you guys like to pronounce it. It has a T in it, not a CH, so I don't know. There should be a debate on that. I'm just going to go ahead and use acrylic paint to go ahead and paint the design that I like. I'm using this green. It's called Parakeet green. As you can see, I've already placed it in my bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and use this fine tip brush to go ahead and draw the strokes that I like. I cannot stress to you guys enough that I am not an artist and clearly not a nail artist. So the nail care in this video is emphasized on the care and not the design, because whoo child, what I just came up with, nope. Okay, so I'm now gonna go ahead and grab this pink that I have. It's called Pink Frosting. Again, it is acrylic paint from Target with a few dots of OPI's white. Not sure what the name of this nail polish is called, but it's just a plain white. So now I'm just adding dots onto the polish, making it look like a flower with a white in the middle. I'm trying to replicate the design that you saw in the beginning, but the colors just blend too much. Here I'm just going to quickly add another layer of top coat on the nails that have designs, and we'll see the outcome of it. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I know you guys are probably like, what the hell is that? But I know they look like cactuses and I probably should have left them like that, but this is what you get. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any ideas, please, I'm always open to suggestions. My comment box is open. Go ahead and tell me what you want to see next. I'm actually going to do a get ready with me. It's a little something personal. It's going to be a mix and match of less is more. Okay, so think about it and tell me what you guys are expecting. Okay, have a good night, guys. See you later. Bye.